There has always been a disconnect. What the cost for us to provide good quality childcare with good quality people doing that versus what our parents can afford to pay us. It does not balance at the end of the day. Just in my insurance alone, it has tripled in the last 2 years. The insurance company that carried my insurance for 25 years canceled on me last year. They are no longer covering childcare. It's not a moneymaker. We know what's happened with food. We know what's happened with all of our curriculum and our paper products and all that kind of thing. So as our costs are rising, astronomical over definitely the last 3 years have been, and any family already knows, anybody living in this world knows how quickly our cost of living has risen. We've had to raise our rates, but I can tell you that it's still not where it needs to be. My labor that I am paying right now, we used to pay between $8 and $12 an hour. I'm paying between $12 and $18. So my taxes have doubled. A lot of the labor workers, they can go to McDonald's and start at $15, $16 an hour with benefits. Your child care centers can't provide that. So it's been a real struggle to even get help. And then to add COVID in, we did get what was called a emergency child care grant. It was supposed to run through September of 2023. The federal money was already given to the state to give to us. We also were receiving the wage enhancement grant. That subsidized wages to get our workers in. It added approximately, I think it was like $1.78 to their wages. Fast forward to June of 2023, things are kind of starting to settle down just a little bit. We were cut off of our grants in June. They had gotten used to that extra $2 an hour. We had to absorb that or we're going to lose our workers. It's been a real struggle to get staffing. I know that they're out there saying that there's a real shortage in daycare, that there aren't places for the kids, whatever. Couple things. One, that is due to the amount of childcare that closed their doors. They did put out some grant money for people to start new daycares or expand. But my experience is it's not that the daycare centers don't have room, they haven't been able to staff. And that brings around the whole issue of what we're charging our parents. We are not able to charge our parents adequately to cover our costs. And without grant money, I think we're gonna see a whole nother shutdown of the industry, because everyone can kind of float their boat for a time, but that time is passing.